Okay, so what does it say? If the greater of two numbers be divided by the less, the quotient is 1. All right, let me write this down. There's two numbers, but one is definitely greater than the other. So let me write this down. So I'm going to say x is the greater number. All right, so I have to read it. It says, if the greater of the two number be divided by the lesser, so that means x divided by y. The quotient is 1, and the remainder is 6. Unfinished business, so to speak. Okay, let me read the next thing they say. And they say, and if the greater increased by 14, well, the greater is x, so x plus 14 be divided, all right, if the greater increased by 14 be divided by the less diminished by 4. Well, the lesser number is y, but I'm diminishing it by 4. They go on to say the quotient would be 5, and the remainder would be 4. Well, the one thing I want to do is I want to make sure you understand that we write a key to be read. All right, so we spoke through that part. And this is the part I want to make sure I'm getting it matched up for my reading. And x over y, 1 plus, yeah, I did that. Let's see if this one I'm doing okay. On this one, x plus 14, y minus 4, good. So this is the first step I would do in solving the problem, is make sure that you match what I said, right? And the next thing is I have to go to the whiteboard. I can't fit this in here, and I'm going to try to solve it. I'm actually going to try to solve that system like we've done in the past, but I got to go to the whiteboard. So give me a moment, get to the whiteboard, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy down those equations, and one step at a time to solve it. And one of the equations, one of the equations was x over y was equal to 1 plus 6 over y. And the other equation was, let's see, x plus 14 over y minus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4 over y minus 4. And I'm going to simplify these guys. And you may wonder why simplify. It's much easier for me to proceed forward. You may decide differently. But this, I'm going to multiply both sides by y. You would get x equals y plus 6. So I multiply both sides by y. And I'm going to write a little bit differently. I'm going to write this as x minus y is equal to 6. Well, that's a relatively simple equation. And I'm going to simplify this second equation by multiplying both sides by y minus 4. What do you get? X plus 14 equals 5 times y minus 4 plus 4. Well, I got to continue to do this. This is x plus 14. This is 5y minus 20 plus 4. And what do I get over there? I get x minus 5y. Well, let's see what you get there. Minus 34 minus 30. Let's make sure I did that right. So minus 16, yeah, minus 30. So I get a pretty simple system. I get x minus y equals 6, and I get x minus 5y equals minus 30. Well, I'm going to just maybe simplify a little bit more. I'm going to put a bottom equation by minus 1. That would give me minus x plus 5 plus 30. Add them together. You would get 4y is equal to 36. Y would be equal to 9. And then, what's the x? Well, look at this. You look at anywhere you like, but what is it going to be? The x would be 15. I strongly recommend that you look at my answer key. And if you think something's amiss, let me know there's something amiss. So the two numbers are 15 and 9. And that was our question. Find the numbers. The two numbers are 15 and 9. Clearly 15 is the greater number. Thank you.